First thing this morning, you'll say, where's the storm? We've just got this gorgeous view on the horizon as the sun is peeking out right now. This is the view coming across our Fairfield Skycam, and wow, love that burst of color in our skies with some of those clouds starting to move in. No rain from these clouds yet, but eventually we're going to get going with our storm moving onshore later today, specifically into the afternoon when those winds could get strong and gusty. We're talking gusts up and over 45, several locations across Northern California, which could lead to some damaging wind and potentially some power outages, especially where those winds are going to get pretty hefty on the eastern side of the valley and along the foothills. Weather timeline for the wind today. This is a big jump. We're going to go from 2 o'clock wind speeds 15 to 20 miles an hour and then hiking up and over 25 sustained winds with gusts, as I mentioned, that could get up and over 45 later on. Here's our system, and it looks like a good one as it's going to be deepening as it moves into Northern California, spreading out with some rain and some Sierra snow and lowering snow levels in the mountains eventually. Prepare for rain showers right around noontime, turning moderate to heavy at times later on this afternoon. Coming up, I'll take you through the amounts of rain and the snow and the levels in just a bit.